Hey, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel GoPro subscription, all official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel GoPro subscription on Android. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and make sure that you are logged in from the right account. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the settings icon to open up the menu. In this menu, you will see the subscriptions and payments option. Tap on it. Next, tap on the subscriptions option to display a list of all the active subscriptions you are having. Now, scroll through the list to find your GoPro subscription and select it. You will see the option to cancel your subscription. Select it and proceed as directed. As you follow the right steps, your subscription to GoPro shall be terminated. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel GoPro subscription on iOS. On your iOS device, launch the Settings app. At the top of the screen will be your username mentioned. Tap on it. Make sure that you are logged in from the right Apple ID and tap on the subscriptions option. Here, you will see all your active subscriptions. Scroll through them to find GoPro subscription. Now, you can tap on the Manage option and then select Cancel Membership. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel GoPro subscription on app. First, open your web browser and visit gopro.com. Log into your GoPro account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find your account dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, click on Account Setting. Once in the Settings section, locate and click on Subscription from the top navigation menu. Scroll down to view your subscription details. Below your subscription details, you'll see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Click on this link to proceed with the cancellation process. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm the cancellation by following the on-screen prompts. That's it. You've successfully cancelled your GoPro subscription. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your GoPro subscription. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.